Blessings and favor, my grace family. This is the day which the Lord has made, and we will rejoice and be glad in it. I'm thanking God for another opportunity that I get to share this moment of inspiration with you. This is day 16 of the Nehemiah project in our 52-day challenge. I'm trusting that everybody's engaged and working hard, and by now, you should know that we are very, very serious about reaching our goal in this project. Yesterday, we talked about my part, which meant that we were identifying the part that we played, that we have a place in the plan of God. Today, I want to talk to you briefly about not just knowing and identifying your part, but then taking ownership and becoming responsible for your part. It's interesting that when you know that you own this, it just provides for you a different mindset, a different heart attitude about how you handle and manage the things that you're working on. Just think about it like this. Nehemiah had to rebuild the wall because it would provide protection, right? Without the wall, everybody in the city was vulnerable. The rebuilding of the temple still was vulnerable. The rebuilding of their homes, nice, but still vulnerable because there were no walls to protect from evil encroachment. So just think in terms of this, being vulnerable and how that the enemy has clear access to you. I want you to look at this as a time of, you know what? I'm going to be responsible for this, right? I'm taking ownership, because I will not allow what happened in the past to happen again. Think of it like this also. If everyone was as responsible as you are, what would our wall look like? Something to think about. So I'm encouraging you, let's take ownership, let's go deeper. Come on, so that we can do a great job in securing this wall. The infrastructure is critically important for a city, for businesses, for a company. And so we want to make sure that the infrastructure is strong. And I know my part, but now I'm taking ownership and I'm becoming responsible. Hey, listen, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for listening, because this is important and critical for what we're doing. Have an amazing day, and we look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow. God bless you, and may grace be unto you.